Hi everyone, today I'll be unboxing my brand new keyboard. It is a Redragon IDA, mechanical gaming keyboard. It has an Otemu Blue MK2 switch. I don't know what that really means. It's my first Redragon keyboard. It has full RGB. It has a detachable cable and an USB 2.0 hub. It also has some programmable buttons, 4 programmable buttons, 4G buttons, and has an detachable armrest. As you can see, it came a little bit damaged in the process, but the seals are there. Also it has full anti-ghosting rollover and RGB switches. Let's get to the unboxing. I don't have my tripod, so this unboxing will be a little bit shaky, or shakier as usual. Let's see if the keyboard survived the transporting. And first the cable falls off. It is a nice braided cable. This is micro USB Type-C. Okay, that's a nice touch compared to micro B from HyperX. Nothing in the box. So this is the paper. Let's see if there's something behind. Oh, nothing. Okay. So this is the palm rest and the keyboard itself. It is really clicky. As you can see, this is a small format. It's a cutoff for single-handled. It actually feels nice. It is really clicky. As you can see, there is a metallical sound. It feels nice to the touch. Let's get one button up. So this is the button itself. It has an interesting design. As you can see, the LED is up there. And it actually has the Redragon logo. I don't think you can see it. Let's get from the distance. Oh, it's not seeable. I'm filming this in really low light. Let's put the key back. So the keys themselves have a little wobble. Okay, let's see the profile. Okay. This is the serial key. This is where you connect the USB Type-C in the hub. So it's basically you can route your mouse to the left side. And let's see the handrest. It is a magnetical palm rest. It actually holds kind of good. So they're on the edge right now, but it clicked back up. I don't really like the armrests. Okay, so this is my unboxing of the Redragon. I will plug it in to see with RGB and we'll resume the video. I have been using this keyboard for around 2 weeks now. As you can see, I have connected. This is not the standard lightning. I have switched to Fast and Furious. It's one of the presets. It's really hard to find this keyboard. I actually found it on USA Redragon site. On the Europe and originally it wasn't there. Someone suggested to install the a little bit different model, but that would take the remapping of the spacebar and other stuff. I don't use the palm rest. Let's get to the software. So here is the software. Here in the corner you have the USB pulling rate. It's set to 1000. You can select up to 4 profiles and you can get the macros. Actually the M1, M2, M3, M4, they are the profiles on the keyboard. You cannot use them as different macros. Here is the light schemes. Here is the ripple graph. So when you push it, okay. Next is the pass without a trace. So it's slightly fading. I don't know why my colors look so washed out. The trial of light, it's actually it is cycling throughout the colors. Go with the stream. You can select the direction from which where, the speed, the colors. Okay. I prefer Fast and the Furious. On the Fast and the Furious, here is the center and it goes to the side. And the faster you type, or the faster you're doing, as you can see the cycle is accelerating. That is pretty neat. As you can see, it's pretty loud. Let's get the button off to see how it's lighted. So I got off the escape button. As you can see, the LED is up top. It has a transparent background. Let it focus. This is how it sounds without the cap. Okay. For the past 2 weeks I also familiarized with these switches. So these actually are Ultimo switch, the blue ones. They have 50 gram of, the 60 gram of push pressure, and the complete cycle is 2.3 millimeters. So that's, or 23. Okay. So it's a little bit, the parameters are a little bit bigger than the standard Cherry MX blue switches, which is okay. I really enjoyed the keyboard. Everyone are telling that it's a pretty noisy keyboard. To be honest, compared with Cherry MX Red, only the keys meshing on the reds can be heard. Okay, so it is connected to my USB hub. I did not test the secondary port on the keyboard because I don't need the extra slot because I'm connected to the hub. And but when I will be connected to a PC, it will be, or to a laptop, it will be really useful. Okay, so this was my unboxing and review of the Ultimo blue switches and the new Redragon keyboard. Thank you for watching. Like if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it, and have a nice day.